Welcome to the part 2, 3 questions written by Leo Tolstoy. At the close of the day, the king saw a bearded man, severely wounded, and his hands pressed against his stomach. The king and the hermit dresses and redresses the man and takes him to the hut and puts him to the bed. The next day, when the king wakes up, the bearded man asks him for his forgiveness and says that he was an enemy of the king who wished to kill the king when he came out of the hermit's hut, but was wounded in the way by the king's soldiers, and says that he would serve as a servant in the king's courtship and will always be obliged to the king. The king feels very happy for making peace with the unknown person. Now, he goes to the hermit and asks the answers to his questions. The hermit, who was already at his work, says that, "O king, your questions have been answered." Not knowing when the questions were answered, the king says, "O hermit, make it clear to me. I don't understand. You did not utter a word, did not say anything. When did you answer my questions?" Now the hermit says, "O king, don't you see? The best time yesterday was to be with me. The best person was the hermit, myself. And the best thing to do was to help me at the place. And today indeed, the best person happens to be the bearded man. The best time is the moment you were with the bearded man. And the best thing to do was to help the bearded man, which saved your life." And by these statements, the king understands that there is no fixed person, no fixed time, or no fixed thing to be done. It is now the moment where you are, and then the person with whom you are, and the thing what you have to do at that moment is the important thing. And we understood the moral of the lesson also. Now, as the first question goes, what is the right time to begin something, to do something? Now presently, this is the time of coronavirus and we are at high alert. What is the right thing now? What is the right time to be where we are? This is the right time. Which people should we listen to? Now we have to listen to our parents, teachers, elders. And what is the most important thing for us to do now? The most important thing for us to do now is to stay home, listen to our parents, study a bit, engage yourselves in the work which you are good at, because this is the high time we have to respond to the nation's needs. Stay home, stay safe, stay out of corona. Good day. Bye.